What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Justin back with another video today. Today I'll be going over some outfits. I'll be showing y'all my top outfits for this upcoming fall. I will be describing each and every piece, how to piece the things together, and what's trending this upcoming fall. So if you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell, hit that subscribe button, comment below any questions, anything you got, just leave it in the comment section below. We're gonna go ahead and jump into the first outfit, which I have on right now. As y'all can see, we have the baggy cargos. Y'all know cargos, I feel like they'll never go out of style. Cargos are definitely gonna be a big hit this upcoming fall and winter, honestly. But this fall, I love my cargos. If you're a cargo guy like me, I've been wearing cargos since high school, but I ain't gonna let them go. I love the baggy cargos. These right here, they was trending one, I think last winter or fall, maybe, from Zara. I do have that pair, and I do have these. I actually found these on Temu, which is crazy. Same quality, everything, really almost better, but for like less the price. So I got this baggy pants. If you're not with the baggy pants, y'all know y'all can go with the slims, but man, these fit perfect. And you know what I'm saying, they just not that baggy like that. But I love the pockets, love the zippers, and the shoes. We're gonna go with the fall shoes too. I do have a separate video coming up for that, but I do have on the I forgot what the canvas 4s. I do have these the Jordan 4s on with it, and the shirt is from H&M. Now when we go into the t-shirts for the fall, we want to get the thick material. Now these is the high quality thick material t-shirts, and they got the crop fit. Y'all see it's the boxy fit. They got a bunch of them on, check out the quality. I got a bunch of them on H&M, Boohoo Man, a lot of sites. I'm gonna do a video over this so y'all know, but definitely check out H&M. They definitely have a high quality thick shirt, so they're not thin, so they keep you a little, you know, a little warm when it's like a little cool outside for the fall. But this is outfit number one. Let me know what y'all think. Like I said, comments, anything, all down below. But this is the first outfit. I think it's pretty dope. Love the colors. We're keeping it neutral, keeping it simple, clean, and we don't have to, you know, break the bank so much. And I believe the shoes, they still in stock right now. I think they on the shelf, so y'all can cop these. So let's get to the next outfit. So this is the next outfit. Now, like I said, now it's football season, so I pulled out the jersey. I got this from Shein. I'm gonna have the links to everything in the description below, but I got this from Shein. I thought this pretty dope. I love the colors, the graphic, the style, you know, the boxy fit. You can't go wrong. And in the fall, you know, it's not cold outside like that. You know, it's outside in the fall because it's the perfect weather you want to. And I got the comfortable Boohoo Man track nylon pants, white and a black. Yeah, I see the Boohoo Man symbol right there. These are very dope, and all pair well with the Jordan 4 white cements. Like, cool, chill fit, and it's very comfortable. So you at the football game, you know, you sitting on the bleachers with that sun, cool wind. Hey, you're gonna be cool and fly. So I'll let y'all be the judge of this outfit in the comments below, and we're gonna jump into the next one. All right, for the next fall outfit, we do have something. I should label this probably the chill outfits, because all my outfits are pretty just chill and calm. But you know, the colors and how I put it together, this all make a statement. This, you know, show you how the outfit should be. But for this fall outfit, y'all see I have like the bomber jacket on. Honestly, I forgot where I got this from, but it's pretty dope. I really love the color, the blue and white, and you know, you can get a simple blue and white bomber for like Boohoo Man, H&M, and stuff like that. But you know, I love this. I really like the details on the back, the logo and everything. It's pretty dope. Paired it with a white tee from H&M, nice fabric, good high quality. And these sweats are from Boohoo Man. They're baggy and they got a flare to them. Very, very comfortable. I love the style of them. And I had to pair them with the navy blue Jordan 4s. Y'all see them, white and blue. So a good white and blue outfit, very chill, calm, collect. So let y'all be the judge of the outfit in the comments below. I really like this outfit. It's probably one of my favorite ones, but definitely good for the fall. So let's jump into the next outfit. The next outfit, I did throw in a little casual streetwear, a little day night outfit. Yeah, I see the shirt. I got it from Shein. I love this shirt. I love the quality of it. Like, check out the quality of this shirt. It's that good like kind of suede material. Got the great like boxy fit to it. Like come on now. Dope shirt, boohoo man pants with the crease in them. Like kind of like more some like they not so much like some dressy pants, but they kind of got that material, some dress pants, and they like, you know, baggy fit. And they did throw on the Travis Scott Black Phantoms, I believe that's what they call the black Travis Scott ones, Jordan Low ones, and this is the fit, you know. Very cool, you know what I'm saying. I can throw on like a black jacket with it, and you know what I'm saying, call it a night. Ain't step out. But you know, this is another fall outfit. Y'all let me know what y'all think about it, and we're gonna jump into our last outfit. So let's jump into it. Last outfit, I do have these baggy pants. That's from Shein. I really like them. I like the stripes on the side. Baggy blue jeans. Got the, I forgot what they call, but these Jordan 5s, I have in the description below. I can't remember the name of them, but they go well with this Hellstar jacket. Really love this jacket, high quality. Like the little crop fit, the design on it. Feeling pretty real and it's comfortable. Regular white t-shirt under it, but you know, it's a dope little, you know, chill outfit. Still trending, still cool in the fall. Definitely a good fall, you know, outfit. I do have this other jacket. I'm gonna throw on real quick just to see like what y'all think, this jacket or the other jacket. Comment below, see which one y'all like. So I'm finna switch into it right here. So I got this jacket right here from Shein also. I think it's pretty dope. I really like it. I like the design of it and everything like that, the color, and it happens to match these shoes also. So let me know which jacket that y'all like, or what outfit y'all like with the jacket, which jacket. So I think it's pretty dope. I'm really liking the Hellstar better, but y'all just let me know in the comment section below. But that's all I have for y'all, man. Y'all let me know what y'all rocking, what's trending this, you know, fall for y'all, what y'all looking forward to, shoe releases, anything like that. Any clothes brands y'all want me to do review on, anything like that, y'all comment out below. Hope y'all like the video. Hope y'all like the video. Hope it help you out a lot. Help y'all on y'all, you know, copying y'all wardrobe for the fall. Y'all let me know. I got more videos coming up next. From fall shoes, fall jackets, jeans, all that good stuff. So y'all want to stay tuned. You do not want to miss out. Telling y'all, I'm putting y'all on game where you don't even have to break the bank. They trendy in the fall. So got y'all outfits on this channel. Thank y'all for viewing. If you're new to the channel, please hit subscribe, hit that like button. Don't forget to follow me on my TikTok and Instagram. I got videos on there also. So appreciate y'all and see y'all next video. Peace. I'm out.